Talento ng mga kabataan ang ipinamalas kamakailan sa Modified Melodies Concert na fundraising project ng isang Filipino-Canadian beauty queen para sa mga kabataang may special needs. Silipin sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Isang fundraising concert ang inorganisa ni Filipino-Canadian beauty queen at advocate Alexa Marie Grant para sa mga kabataang may special needs. Ang nalikom na pondo sa konsyerto, ilalaan ni Grant para makapamili ng musical instruments para sa mga bata.
I am a volunteer with Holland Bloorview Kids Rehabilitation Hospital. So this is a hospital where I've seen firsthand the barriers that a lot of these children face when it comes to music, but they're very passionate about music. All they need is the opportunity. So I thought it would be great to get in there and bridge that gap, to give them the instruments that they need to make music, have fun, and just enjoy and share with others.
Ilang pageant titles na ang napanalunan ni Grant na pinangalanan ding Miss Supranational Canada noong 2022. Ang kanyang malawak na plataporma patuloy niyang ginagamit para sa advokasya at pagvo-volunteer.
For me, it's important to have something else, something deep to my heart, because my mother is also a special education teacher and I play many instruments, so this cause all around represents me as a person. So I think that is one of the most important things to showcase.
Sa tulong ng Filipino community, mga magulang at mga talentadong mga kabataan na iraos ang Modified Melodies Concert kamakailan.
You actually have some performers today who have special needs, and there are organizations here today like GAFA, which is a Global Advocacy for Autism Awareness, which is supporting us as well. So this is a totally community project being brought together by everyone across the community who shares the same passion about music, children with special needs, and just bringing that attention and awareness to this issue.
This is something new, kakaiba, hindi para sa, not for a monetary benefit, but to support, especially those who have special needs, and through music, but could be better than that.
Kumpiyansa raw si Grant na sa tagumpay ng pinangunahang proyekto, posible pang magkaroon ng susunod na Modified Melodies Concert para mas marami pang mga kabataang may special needs ang mabibigyang pagkakataon mahasa at maibahagi ang kanilang talento sa musika. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.